So we have here is the NutriChef 15 bottle wine capacity refrigerator cooler. Now this is a nice looking refrigerator, and it has the touch controls. As you can see here, we got the settings, temperature up and down, and you have the nice little display there. Now when we go in here, we do have the wine bottles. Again, 15 wine bottles can fit in here. So we have a couple racks here that can fit 3 across. As you can see here, got the red, the white. You got a little spot on the bottom here, a nice display. But also look at this again, NutriChef. Beautiful looking display here. I love it. It's so clean looking. Nice glass so you can see right into the wine cooler. Again, the display. Let's go back in here and take a look at the wines that are in here. White, got the nice little glass door. White, red wines. Keeps it nice and cool, so when you're ready to pop open another bottle,